Musclecars universe. What's up guys, Andy here from Musclecars universe. I know it's been a very long 7 months without content, but unfortunately here in New Zealand we're facing very strict lockdowns and unfortunately there's no events going on. But I got a call today from a friend. He wants to shoot a video to sell his car, so guess what? We're back in business, baby. Location.
Yeah.
Really good spot. It was a great ride. Wow. That was a very nice ride. Let me show you more about the car. You've been seeing this car before in my previous videos. Plenty of times, previous meets. It's Gears of War. And it's now for sale. This is basically an original Hot Rod magazine car that was featured in the 80s, and the conditions are just immaculate, really. It was obviously repainted from the original yellow, as you can see here. This is how the car originally looked. See all that part of the hardtop was, the vinyl top was removed obviously, and the louvers and the side exhausts, but the chrome still exists, especially under the car. So this car is featuring 18-inch at the back and 17-inch at the front, drums and disc brakes respectively. We can have a peak down here with a full straight pipe exhaust and 2 resonator. We've got a 9-inch diff, fully chromed as well, as you can see, fully adjustable suspensions, and it sounds mean as hell. Looking up at the interiors, very clean. It's been retrimmed, all new leather seats, and the upholstery here on the ceiling as well. Very tidy. Dashboard doesn't show any signs of cracking, so that's also good. We've got a massive RPM gauge there. It's obviously a 4-speed manual, and the owner still has the original steering wheel for the people that don't want this body racer style. So let's pop the hood and I'll show you better. Alright, so tell us more about the setup. What do we have here?
351 Cleveland
Stroke to how much?
397.
397, that's good, man. And the blower, what's the capacity?
471 with 671 rotors.
Nice. And
250 double pumper carburetor.
Yeah.
4-speed top loader.
Got a fuel gauge here as well, fuel regulator.
Yeah. Nice car, by the way.
Thanks. Got the cops coming up as well. Anyway, so you were saying that you replaced the carburetor and now it's pretty much running amazing, isn't it? I am a witness to it. Like, guys,
running really good now.
We came down here at the beach, it was amazing, just running so smooth and nice, and very good power curve as well. You replaced the radiator or something? Or?
Yeah, new radiator.
So it doesn't heat up even in the hottest days, isn't it?
Hottest days, it runs cooler idling than driving.
That's amazing.
Custom headers,
MSD ignition and everything, so that's good. And as I was saying, guys, underneath is all like still from the 80s, because this is the Hot Rod magazine featured car. So you can see the sump and everything. It's been all done, like you can see the main cross member there.
Electric power steering.
Electric power steering as well. It's a proper street car. Proper street car.
3-inch HPC coated exhaust system.
Yep. Very cool, all murdered out, blacked out like that. Very nice. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like this video for more content. If you want to inquire about this car, please do so by reaching out to my personal page on Instagram, musclecars.universe. But please also remember that this car is currently located in New Zealand. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.